Hello, my name's Lorraine Marshall and welcome to my channel Make Money Online Niches. Today I'm going to be reviewing HostZPresso and I will tell you more about the bonuses that's going to be available through my link and it will be in the description below this video. So here we are on the bonus page and reviewing HostZPresso. Now you can get unlimited hosting and all of your websites and your domains hosted and an email account for a one-time payment, no monthly fees ever. So that's got to be a huge incentive and bargain. So what's HostZPresso all about? It's a 100% newbie-friendly cloud hosting, and it's focused on limiting your monthly expenses. Now, who would this be for? Consultants, agents, e-commerce store owners, affiliate marketers. So, it covers a wide range of people who have websites, and it reduces your monthly costs because you can grab this for a one-time only payment. Now, HostZPresso also offers a 30-day no question asked guarantee and refund if you find that this product is not for you. So on the prices, the front end of this product is $19, and then you've got an upsell of $47, another upsell of $67, and another one-time offer of $97, the fourth offer of $97, and the final one of $197. So HostZPresso gives you access to software and also training modules. The key benefits: you've got no monthly fees and recurring costs, so that's great. You get free SSL certificates for every site that you load. You've got one click for WordPress installer and a 60-day money back guarantee. And there's 24/7 premium support. And if you're a newbie, there's no tech skills needed, so that would be great. Now, this is the demo video, so we can just click and find out a little bit more about this.
Hey everyone, welcome to HostZPresso getting started video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to point out your domain and how to install WordPress from your control panel. And you can see that this is my HostZPresso control panel, and I have added my domain winners.club. And after adding your domain, you will receive an email like this, and you just need to put this DNS server for your domain, and you can change them from your domain register. So you can see that there's the DNS, custom DNS. So I just purchased this domain and I have added this domain to my HostZPresso account, and let's see how to point out my domain. So this is my domain, and let's click manage here. So you can see that here's the name server of my domain winners.club. So I have to click here and select the custom DNS, and now I have to put here the custom name server from the email. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and this is the second one. So I have put the custom DNS, and I just need to click here the save button.
So as you can see, it's quite easy to get started. And let me just show you some of the bonuses that I'm offering with this product. So bonus 1 is the ClickBank Mastery course. All of these bonuses have been given to me by John O. Armstrong, and so they will be available for anyone who purchases HostZPresso through my link that will be in the description below this video. So that's the first bonus that you've got there. It's the ClickBank Mastery course. My second bonus here is again by John O. Armstrong, and it's the bonus paged builder tutorial. So that will walk you through, it's a brilliant tutorial, so it'll walk you through building bonus pages. The third bonus here is the hack for boosting your search engine optimization. So that is going to be massive in order to get your websites ranked. So that would be great bonus to have. Bonus 4, you've got a tutorial, which is access to John O. Armstrong's again Fugo breakout. So you want to get this product through my link here and get access to these bonuses. Bonus 5 is another tutorial which you can access all of the vendor bonuses, and it's obviously complete package of bonuses from the vendor. So if we can just go over now to the HostZPresso sales page, and we can find out more about this product. So obviously it's, like I said, to get unlimited hosting, one-time price and no monthly fees, and then you've got free certificates, free SSL certificates, 60-day unconditional money back guarantee, and you can transfer all your sites, you can create new ones, and it's a beginner friendly, like I said, it's beginner friendly, so it's great. It's a 3-step process for getting signed into this. Step 1, you're just logging into your HostZPresso, uploading your domain names or putting your new domain names in there, or transferring your old hosting. Step 2, you're setting up your website with one click, and you can install WordPress or other web applications. And step 3, you can easily manage all your websites. You've got them all in one place. You can get access to your email as well. So it's just a simple, user-friendly interface that's designed for the total tech novice. You don't have to be worried or scared about, you know, doing something wrong or making a mistake, because I know that I was in the beginning. So obviously, you know, we've got some great testimonials about the product, and you're going to save a lot of money on your hosting plans when you buy this product. So if we can just have a quick look at the dashboard and the inside of the product, and like I said, you've got your email manager where you could go to your email accounts here, your autoresponders, your vacation messages, so you can even have, when you're on a holiday, you can have automatic replies. And then you've got over here, you've got all of your install products and apps. So your first one there's WordPress, where you can install that. It's basically like a one-click walkthrough. It's dead simple. There's a support help center. You've got extra features. You've got your webmail. So when you log in, you can just go and find out exactly what emails you've received. And then this is where you'll find all your files. So every time you've uploaded information and files, which obviously it's an unlimited file storage as well, this is where you'll find all of that. So this is the inside of the HostZPresso, and when you purchase through my bonus link in the description below, then you'll get all of these bonuses and they'll be available once you get logged into the Warrior platform to get access to your purchase. So that's all we've got to say today, and just have a look in the description and check out this bonus page. Thank you.